YouTube people, and today I will be playing Sky High again because I'm really bored and I want to win something like an item, a clothing item. What? No, not that. Stupid. Please take me back. Right, so here we go. Yeah, so let's just wait until we get up in the top. Oh wait, someone's on. I can't look at that right now. Alright, I'll just post this video and when I get into the top, I will show you, okay? Bye. What? I hate the skips. Back glasses. Oh well. Okay, people. I'm gonna be making more later, so bye bye.